In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide P&L on Tradingview. If you like a clean distraction-free chart, hiding profit and loss values can help you focus on price action without second-guessing every move. This change only affects what you see on the chart. It doesn't close positions, alter orders, or impact your broker connection. It simply removes those floating P-fail labels from view. Start on your Tradingview chart. To get to the setting you need, open the Chart Settings panel. The quickest way is to right-click anywhere on the chart area and choose Settings from the menu that appears. If you prefer, you can also click the small gear icon at the top right of the chart pane. Both paths lead to the same place. If you are using a multi-phase chart layout, make sure the chart you want to adjust is the active one by clicking inside it first. Inside the Settings window, look to the left side where the categories are listed. Click on the Trading tab. This tab controls the visual elements related to orders, positions, and on-phase chart trading tools. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list. It sits alongside tabs like Symbol, Status Line, and Scales. Selecting Trading ensures you are editing options that specifically affect the trading overlays on your chart. Now find the checkbox labeled Profit and Loss Values. This option governs those small readouts that display your open P-field directly on positions and orders. To hide them, simply uncheck the box as soon as you untick it. Tradingview prepares to remove those values from the chart. This won't delete any lines, take profit or stop loss levels, or the position marker itself. It only hides the numerical gain or loss text so the chart looks cleaner. To make the change stick, click OK at the bottom of the Settings window. The update applies immediately. You should notice your chart no longer shows the P&L numbers next to open positions or pending orders. If you ever want the values back, repeat the same path. Open the Trading tab and check profit and loss values. It's a quick toggle you can use anytime, like when presenting your screen or sharing a layout and you prefer to keep performance data private. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.